You're awake. Fantastic.
What happened?
Pretty fucking nuts, man. I mean, how Soldier Boy attacked you and Bluehawke at Hero Gasm.
Yeah.
Soldier Boy murdered Bluehawke right in front of you. You tried to save Bluehawke, of course, but must have been awful for you.
Yeah.
It seemed like you two were on your way to a healing place, which is why you're gonna love this. Bluehawke will live on because we gave you his heart. A super-abled heart. No more heart disease. You're gonna get to run again. Can I get a what? Look, you'll need insane amounts of rehab, but luckily you heal fast, bro.
We're
gonna get you back in your old suit. We're gonna get you out there ASAP.